Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel, Wow Aspirant Mom. I hope everyone is doing great there. And yeah, this is a series of Roundup 2022 memories of videos are being posted in my channel nowadays. So, yep, I feel so no one is getting bored. I know I am not putting any, study related vlog or any informative kind of a vlog these days, but I will be back with new videos with the new year. But before doing that, I wanna, just pile up all the videos which I have in my, phone. So yeah, this is a vlog from Teachers Day. Yes, so I have started my day by sketching Bharat Ratna Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan ji. So he is the motto of Teachers Day, like why we celebrate Teachers Day. So I thought to sketch him on that day, and I hope it came out well. For me, I think it's good. So yeah, back to school. That's my son. Really irritated by the prayer time because he is in nursery now, and so yeah, that's how our prayer time looks. And on that day, all my colleagues, our principal, and everyone were like so grateful. We are actually, that was I think for me that was the first time that I have celebrated Teachers Day as being a teacher. So there was, I can't express myself very well, but yeah, I really enjoyed that day being a teacher. And that's how this vlog is going to be some of my memories, which kind of first time memories, I would say, because I never felt so. And being a teacher, I have given one affirmation to my children, especially the 10th class, because I really believe that affirmations really attract the universal power around you. So
I am blessed. I make work hard. I can do anything. Everything is possible. I am grateful for whatever I have.
Thank you so much.
And some of the memories from my childhood. But yes, this is not my childhood video. This was on Teachers Day 2022. Yes, this is one of my student who is enacting me. And if you remember that when we were kids, like when we were in school, definitely each one of you definitely have enacted one of your favorite or one of teacher, and that feeling is different. We actually love to enact our favorite teachers on Teachers Day, like dressing up like them, taking class like them. And that's the day when we enact our teachers. Usually we won't get scoldings from them. Yeah, that's the best part of a Teacher's Day, I think. So yeah, I can either say this as a mimic act, so I really enjoyed that day. Like before, I used to do in my school time, I used to enact or mimic one of my favorite teacher, like dressing up like them, and this teaching style and everything I used to mimic. but I thoroughly enjoyed that day as someone enacting like you. Okay, do I press it like this in front of my class, in front of my students. That was really shocking. So I ended up the day with these golgappa, puchka, pani puri, whatever. I really like that cracking sound of pani puri. So yeah, that was my Teachers Day vlog, short and crisp. And yes, I think I really end up the day with this golgappa and tea along with the chair. That was my humor side. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this video a little bit. I know it doesn't make any sense to post these videos right at this point of time, but yeah, some of my memories which I want to keep them in my channel. So yeah, if you're still watching this video, then please do subscribe to my channel. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel, show some support, and also don't forget to hit that bell icon. So that was a gift from my class. So I'm a class teacher, and some of the creative art thing, and yeah, that's how we ended up our Teachers Day. Really relished on these memories and looking forward for better ones. Thank you so much for watching.